Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is the Aoviho, and it is a laptop stand. So I have my laptop sitting right over here, and I'll show you guys in a second. But let's open this up, and we're going to check this out. It looks like it's the L3. So in the box, we get the stand here, making a little bit of jingling sound. So let's see what it looks like here. The jingling is, it looks like it comes with a little wrench and a hex key. And then here is the stand. So look at this. So let's see how this is going to go. So it will go like that. So it's pretty tight right now, but I'm going to assume that the hex key, the hex key will go over here so we can tighten it up. So if it does get loose over time, it gives us the ability to make it tighter again. So let's give this thing a shot and see what it looks like on my computer. I guess I'm going to unplug it for right now just so we can have some space. So there is my laptop. Here it is on. Okay, so here we are. So here you see there's the stand, and I'm putting it right down there. And you see it's got like little rubber things there. And I think it's got the rubber ones on the bottom too, so it won't scratch up my desk. So then I can put my laptop on it so I can have it nice and high like this if I'd like it. Actually, this is kind of cool. So if I'm sitting here like in this bed or something like that, I could watch the TV and have it high. But then I could adjust it as well. Wow, it's really tight. It's very tight. So I guess that's good. So I could be sitting here like this and it's not going to fall down on me. But I'm not sure what kind of angle I would like it at. So I think I'll try it about like this. And see how it goes. And so now it's just a little bit angled. So I'm going to say this is a really nice laptop stand. So it's really nice, very sturdy. I mean, it's not going anywhere. It really holds it good. If I'm shaking it, it can shake, but barely. So it's going to be really good. So I'm going to say super thumbs up from me. And it is the Aoviho. So be sure and pick up one of those. This is the barcode, I guess, for it. But super cool. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.